Hello buddies, so yesterday I had the opportunity of making yam balls for someone and I didn't waste that opportunity to take videos. So although these videos is not that kind complete, but I just took the videos. So this was after I was done cutting the yam and then washing it thoroughly. So after cutting the yams and washing the yam thoroughly, we proceeded to cook or boil the yam. So while boiling this yam, we didn't add any salt to the yam. We just boiled the yam normal without any salt until the yams were soft as ever. Then we proceeded to using our mortar and pestle to pound the yam, just to mash the yam. Let me just say mash the yam, okay? Because the yam was much, like it's two medium-sized yams, okay? So we mash the yam. Then after mashing the yam, I went ahead and added some freshly blended pepper, added chopped carrot, green bell pepper and red bell pepper, then added one egg and then added some onions, okay? Now after adding the onion, I added extra pepper, to boost the taste and make it chili and give it that hot taste. So after adding the pepper, I went in with some blended ginger and garlic paste, fresh ginger and garlic paste. So make sure you wash your hand before mixing all this. Next, I went in with my dangote salt. So after adding the salt, I went in with some chicken seasoning, okay? So I went in with some chicken seasoning. The reason I didn't add salt while boiling the egg was because I was going to add salt here, and if I add salt while boiling the egg and you make a mistake and add too much salt or too much seasoning, it might affect your yam balls, the taste, okay? That's why I didn't add salt then. So I went in with some finely chopped or shredded chicken, seasoned chicken. This chicken has been seasoned, cooked and slightly fried, yes, then shredded with the food processor. Then after adding the chicken, I went in with some margarine. You can also use butter, anyone. Next, I added some black soy sauce into the yam. Then make sure that I mixed everything thoroughly. Guys, like I said before doing it, please make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. It's very, very necessary. Then I went in with some curry powder. Yes, I want my yam balls to taste extraordinary, like the taste to be super. So after that, you can see that I washed my hands. I washed my hands several times while mixing this. So after I was done adding the curry powder and mixing thoroughly, I went ahead and started molding the yam balls. And make sure that the size of the balls are good enough, not too big, not too small. So after molding the yam balls just this way, I toast it in my egg. Okay, here I broke like about 5 eggs and then whisked the eggs thoroughly. So I toasted the egg, then I toast it in my breadcrumbs. Yes, I toast in the breadcrumbs. I'll be dropping a video how to make these breadcrumbs at home. Okay, although I have made this video earlier, but I will drop a new video on these breadcrumbs as well. Okay, so I went ahead and kept on molding and toasting in the egg, then coating with the breadcrumbs. Okay, mold, toast in the egg and coat with the breadcrumbs. And then these were the first batch that I made. And then after making this, I went ahead, heated up my oil to medium high. You don't want the oil to be low in heat, because if it's low, it's going to soak oil. If it is too high, it's going to overcook faster. So make it medium, between medium and high heat. So once the oil is hot like that, I drop the yam balls into the oil and let them fry gradually till they are a little bit light golden brown on the outside, as you can see in the video. And my yam balls were ready. So for the next ones, my breadcrumbs was not enough to coat them, so I had to toast them or coat them with flour. After toasting in the egg, I then coated them with the all-purpose flour, then fried. My yam balls were ready. So scrumptious. Honestly, I would like you to try this, and when you do, please let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, because I got hooked.